How to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Also open your Wi-Fi option. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Scroll all the way down. Click on Configure Proxy. Select the option Off. Now head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down. Open the option General. Scroll down. Head towards the option of Date and Time. Toggle on for the option of Set Automatically. Head back. Open the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Hit back. After you land to the settings page, open the option Screen Time. Go to the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Likewise, head towards the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Enter your screen time passcode. Now click on the option Installing Apps. Check in for the option of Allow. Head back. For the required password section, set it to Don't Require. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings. Open the option General. Open the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Now head back. Open the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, you can delete unused apps or offload it. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Open it. Click on the option of Sign Out. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, wait for a few minutes and again sign in back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.